Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about squeaky windows and how to fix that very easily. Do your windows sound like this? It's like nails on a chalkboard. We're going to go over two different ways to do it. One, we're going to be getting the WD40 Silicone quick drying, and we're going to be spraying it into the door. It's gonna stop the squeaky window for sure, but it probably will leave a residue on the window. That residue is going to dry eventually, but I mean, it's going to leave it temporarily. Versus another way, you take the WD40 Silicone, not just regular WD40, but silicone, quick drying, and we're going to just spray it on a paper towel. We're just going to wipe the rubber here and here and alongside there. We're going to wipe that down on both sides of the window here, on this side and the outside of the window. We're not going to spray it into the door, and I think we're going to come up with a much better way of stopping the squeak and leaving less residue on the window, if any at all. All right, let's get to it. So first you're going to roll the window down, and then you're going to find where the window is between these two rubber pieces, and you're going to spray the WD-40 Silicone. You don't want to spray the WD-40 regular WD-40 or any other type. It's got to be silicone quick drying lubricant, and that's really going to do the trick. So you want to get it on both sides of the window. You want to get it here and spray it down in there, and then you want to get it on the other side going this way as well. This one's, the outside is probably the most important because that's where the squeak is coming from. Then you want to get it up into here too. Just give it a nice quick lubricant here, and the same over here too. You want to get it all the way up. I don't think this has any bearing on that noise, but you might as well give it a quick lubricant all over. And now on this side as well. If you don't want to spray it inside the door, just spray it on the paper towel and just rub the rubber like this on both sides of the window here. And also you're gonna get it inside the door here. Get it inside there as well, and then in there as well. Now we're gonna roll up the window and see if it went away. Let's see. Let's start up the car. Actually, I probably don't need to. That sounds nice. No squeak at all. No squeak. Couple times, and then we're gonna wash it off. Here we go. All right, so the window that we sprayed it inside the door, there is a residue on here. It's eventually gonna come off. It's eventually gonna dry and be gone, but right now it's there. Is it squeaking? No, the window's not squeaking at all anymore. It's completely fixed. Let's go check out the other one. All right, now over to the passenger side window. This is the window we just wiped the rubber on here with a paper towel that we had sprayed with the WD-40 Silicone. We did not spray it inside the window, okay? And as you can see, it left no residue on the window whatsoever. Let's see if it got rid of the squeak that we had. We had a really bad squeak on this side too. This was even worse than the driver's side. All right, I think we figured it out. Let's see, any squeak going up? It's beautiful. Again, so we went all the way around here with a paper towel or shop towel. No residue whatsoever on the window. No squeak. Love that. So your best bet is to spray it on a paper towel and wipe the rubber on both sides of here and then around, inside and out, and get there inside really good. But on this side, we sprayed it inside the door and we stopped the squeak, absolutely stopped the squeak, but we also have residue on the window, which is not what we want. It's gonna go away. I'll clean it with some Windex. But again, we figured it out, we did it. That's how you get rid of the squeak, guys. Hope that helped. If it did, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.